Okay, here we are. Doing a cut and buff on a 67 Camaro, and it's black. Which black does not tell lies. It shows every single imperfection. So this car, we're doing complete kind of restorative detail on it. So all this aluminum will get polished up. It's kind of foggy. Headers are not looking very prime anymore. So we'll use some 2000 degree high heat paint on that. Again, the aluminum here is looking a little tired. All the rusty bolts, etc., that will be all taken care of. So now this is getting wet sanded, color sanded, cut and buff, however you want to phrase it. This is what it looks like when it's looks like a mirror. A lot of little dust on here, but try to ignore that. We're looking at the clarity of the finish. This is just with a coarse compound. So this has a lot of paint defects in it, and we're sanding them out. You can see those bumps in here. So this was everywhere on this paint job. Let me get this dust off of here. So again, this is the surface defects we're dealing with. And you see how we sand them out. And then you buff it out. You get this mirror. So this is probably a 3000 grit sandpaper. The level they're at right now. That's why it looks dull. This gets rid of, again, all those surface defects. This is going to need to be repainted because there's not enough clear to get the bubbles out of the paint job. Again, you can see these surface defects are basically everywhere on the paint job that we're sanding out. And when you're done, you get a much smoother finish. It's also a little ding needs to come out of here. There's a little crack and a little peeling going on right here, which probably would touch up rather than necessarily repainting the whole front piece. So this is about midway through the process to getting this car completely restorative detailed. We got to sand out a lot of orange peel that's in here in this finish right here. There was some contamination, and the paint is fisheyeing away from that contamination, so it has this heavy orange peel basically. So we'll get all this aluminum looking good again. Carburetors will be looking nice and new again. We'll touch up paint all of this peeling paint here. All these little speckles. This is actually peeling paint. Polish up the plate. Get this firewall painted again so it isn't so dull. Again, the rusty bolts, etc. So here's your kind of before or during the middle process. And then you can see what it looks like when it's done. It's pretty spectacular. This is just the final compound. This isn't even the polish. But you can see what a mirror that is. I mean, you can see everything on the cart, on their detailing cart.